Welcome back. If you're waking up in Junction City this morning, you might notice a little bit of white stuff on the ground. There was some snow that had fallen in the area, and there it is on the road. So some slick spots for areas north of I-70 that saw that snow, and even some out in Manhattan as well on the roads. But this will all melt away pretty quickly as the sun comes up and we start to see warmer temperatures, and especially by the time that the clouds break out. But again, starting off on the cold side, 25 in the capital city right now. That wind out of the north making it feel much colder than that. Feels like 14 outside in Topeka right now. So a very chilly start to the morning. Looking at widespread 20s and even some of us in the teens this morning. Concordia, Marysville, and Hiawatha all in one room together at 18 right now. So chilly following our cold front that moved through yesterday morning. And we're going to stay pretty chilly today, only getting into the upper 30s this afternoon for a high 39. And clearing, though, gets us back down into the 20s for lows. So we continue our cooler than average spell for this weekend. We kind of warmed ourselves back up closer to average last week, and then the cold front moved through yesterday. That knocked us down quite a bit from where we should be for this time of year by a good amount, but we'll make our way back there as our clearing trend sets up this week. Right now, seeing the clouds hanging around with us. They'll be hanging around northeast Kansas for most of the morning and even into the early afternoon, but zooming out national view, we do have a nice sunnier setup making its way in from way out west, and that's going to make for a really nice week for us here in northeast Kansas, especially with Thanksgiving coming up. So what this looks like temperature-wise, we can see in the next couple of days how we're going to start warming up as more sunny skies take over the area. Today, we get back into those upper 30s for most, maybe some people nudging into the 40s. Tomorrow is when we see the first step of our warm-up, back into the upper 40s for some, and then on Tuesday, looking like 50s for a few. So the warming trend is on its way, and what that looks like at our extended forecast means that we get back into the 50s really by Wednesday. That's when we see more widespread middle to upper 50s. That continues on into Thursday. Turkey Day looks to be a great one. We have a breeze out of the south that will be running 10 to 15 miles per hour, but nonetheless, it is going to feel great, and there will be plenty of sunshine in the forecast for Thursday. Now moving into Friday, our next system comes in, and that's going to bring in some more cloud cover and a chance for some showers here or there. Not looking at a widespread rain event, but could get a little wet on Friday before we clear out again on Saturday. So next weekend, right now, shaping up to be a little bit nicer than the dice that we rolled this weekend with that cold front coming through yesterday.
Yeah, a little breezy on Thanksgiving, but I'll take it.
Yeah, it looks like a nice day to me. Yeah.